Marrakech, often dubbed the Red City, is one of Morocco's most enchanting destinations. It's a place where tradition and modernity intertwine in vibrant souks, historic palaces, and bustling squares. But beyond the well-trodden paths of the famous Jima Lfna and Koutoubia Mosque, there's a treasure trove of hidden gems waiting to be explored. If you're a traveler seeking a unique side of Marrakech, here are 10 hidden gems that reveal the lesser-known beauty of this captivating city. 1. Jardin Secret, the Secret Garden. Nestled in the heart of the Medina, Jardin Secret is a peaceful oasis that often flies under the radar of most visitors. This historic garden is a rare example of traditional Islamic garden design, with beautifully manicured hedges, fountains, and fragrant flowers. The garden's serene atmosphere is complemented by stunning architecture that reflects Morocco's rich cultural heritage. The garden has been meticulously restored, offering a glimpse into the past while providing a tranquil escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Be sure to take a walk through the pavilion, climb to the rooftop terrace for sweeping views of the Medina, and explore the art exhibits that are often on display. 2. El Badi Palace Ruins. El Badi Palace, once one of the grandest palaces in the Islamic world, now lies in ruins, but it's still one of Marrakech's most intriguing sights. Built in the late 16th century by the Sultan Ahmad al-Mansur, the palace was known for its lavishness, with gold and marble adorning its walls. Today, visitors can wander through the expansive courtyards, admire the grand scale of the remaining structures, and even spot storks nesting atop the palace ruins. While the palace is no longer in its prime, it offers a fascinating glimpse into the splendor that once was. 3. Le Jardin de la Menara, the Menara Gardens. Often overshadowed by the more famous Majorelle Garden, the Menara Gardens offer a peaceful retreat with a distinctly local atmosphere. Situated on the outskirts of Marrakech, this historic garden is home to an enormous reflecting pool, surrounded by olive groves and offering stunning views of the Atlas Mountains. Dating back to the 12th century, the Menara Gardens were originally created as a place for royal leisure. Today, it's a favorite spot for both locals and visitors looking to enjoy a serene walk, a picnic, or simply unwind by the water. 4. The Museum of African Contemporary Art Al Madin, Macal. For those seeking a modern twist in a city steeped in tradition, the Museum of African Contemporary Art Al Madin, or Macal, is a must-visit. Located just outside the Medina, this contemporary art museum showcases a wide array of African art, from sculptures and paintings to multimedia installations. With a strong focus on promoting African artists, the museum offers a fresh perspective on the continent's creative landscape. The museum's sleek, modern design contrasts with Marrakech's historic architecture, but it blends seamlessly into the surrounding landscape, making it a fascinating cultural stop. 5. Saadian Tombs. While the Saadian tombs are somewhat known, they remain one of the more peaceful and understated attractions in Marrakech. Hidden for centuries, the tombs were rediscovered in 1917 and are the final resting place of members of the Saadian dynasty, including Sultan Ahmad al-Mansur. The tombs are an architectural marvel, with intricate tile work, ornate carvings, and a serene courtyard. Visitors can take in the quiet beauty of the site, learn about the history of the Saadian dynasty, and admire the craftsmanship that went into creating these stunning burial chambers. 6. The Mela, Jewish Quarter. Marrakech's Mela is a fascinating and often overlooked neighborhood that holds a rich history of Jewish culture in Morocco. Located just south of the Bahia Palace, the Mela is a maze of narrow streets lined with charming old houses, synagogues, and local markets. While the area is relatively quiet compared to the bustling Medina, it offers a glimpse into the city's diverse cultural heritage. The historical Jewish cemetery and the Lazima synagogue are must-visit sites, showcasing the importance of the Jewish community in Marrakech's past. Walking through the Mela provides a quiet, reflective experience far removed from the typical tourist crowds. 7. Dar el Bacha, the Royal History Museum. Dar el Bacha, also known as the Royal History Museum, is a lesser-known museum that offers a deep dive into Morocco's royal past. Housed in a beautifully restored palace, this museum showcases a vast collection of royal artifacts, including weapons, ceramics, and clothing from different periods of Moroccan history. The building itself is a work of art, with ornate ceilings, intricate tile work, and stunning courtyards that transport you back in time. It's a perfect spot for history enthusiasts looking to learn more about Morocco's dynastic rulers and their impact on the region. 8. Tanneries of Marrakech. Marrakech's tanneries are an essential part of the city's ancient craft traditions, but they're often overlooked in favor of more famous attractions. Hidden in the labyrinthine streets of the Medina, these tanneries are where leather is still processed using centuries-old techniques. The vibrant colors of dyed leather, from deep reds to rich yellows and blues, create a striking visual display. Visitors can experience the sights and smells of the tanneries, as well as purchase high-quality leather goods made on site. It's a fascinating and somewhat off-the-beaten-path experience that reveals an important part of Marrakech's artisanal heritage. 9. Café de Epics. If you're looking for an authentic and less touristy café experience, head to Café de Epics in the heart of the Medina. This small but charming rooftop café offers a panoramic view of the surrounding souks and rooftops of Marrakech. While the café serves traditional Moroccan drinks and light bites, what sets it apart is its location. From the rooftop terrace, you can watch the hustle and bustle of the Medina below while sipping on a refreshing mint tea. It's a peaceful spot to unwind and enjoy the sights and sounds of Marrakech from a different perspective. 10. Dar Si Said Museum. Tucked away in a quiet corner of the Medina, the Dar Si Said Museum is one of the lesser-known gems of Marrakech. Housed in a beautiful 19th-century palace, this museum focuses on Moroccan arts and crafts, showcasing an extensive collection of textiles, pottery, jewelry, and wooden artifacts. The museum's exhibits highlight the intricate craftsmanship and artistic heritage of Morocco's different regions. The tranquil setting of the museum, with its traditional courtyards and gardens, offers a calm respite from the busy streets of the Medina. Marrakech is a city full of surprises, offering a wealth of hidden gems for those willing to venture off the beaten path.